10 powerful healing benefits of eating aloe vera, and how to prepare it. Hello everyone and welcome back to the healthy side of the internet. In today's video, we'll show you the top 10 benefits of eating aloe vera, from boosting your immune system to combating dehydration and improving skin health. Aloe vera is one fantastic plant that you should certainly try out. And, if you watch this video until the end, we'll also show you how to prepare your very own aloe vera remedies at home. Aloe vera is a succulent plant. It is usually used for medicine, but also to decorate the home interior. It is a very short plant, around 60 to 100 centimeters tall. Its leaves are thick and fleshy, with green color. The flowers are grown in summer and should be in a dry and warm place, and for this reason it is suitable for your garden, because it does not need much care. It is cultivated widely around the world and started first in Africa, Sudan, Cape Verde, Madeira Islands. Then it was introduced in China and Europe in the 17th century. Actually, aloe vera was used many years ago, but nowadays it is more popular than ever. Today it is currently used for its gel and juice which come from the leaves. This unique plant helps prevent some diseases, enriches your nutrition plan, and of course, it is useful for beauty. The most common uses today are food, cosmetics, herbal remedies, constipation, skin diseases, antibacterial properties. In the plant, the many active components, vitamins A, C, E, B12, which neutralize free radicals, also many enzymes, amylase, lipase, catalase, peroxidase, etc., which help in the breakdown of sugars and fats. And last but not least, minerals, calcium, selenium, manganese, zinc, magnesium, etc., which are key for different metabolic pathways. And so let's get started with the tips and how to use it in different ways. Reduce dental plaque. Well, the smile is the universal language. You must keep it for as long as possible on your face. So the aloe vera will help you with this challenge, because it's the best way to prevent the forming of plaque and mouth bacteria. You should use for 4 days. All you have to do is to rinse your mouth with aloe vera in juice form. Reduce constipation. The plant is useful to treat constipation. It has a lot of benefits for the digestive system which help get rid of unnecessary toxins in your body naturally. The treatment is done from the young leaves of the plant. This time it is not the juice but the latex. The latex is a sticky yellow substance which is located under the skin of the leaves. Helps with menstrual pain. Every woman knows the pain of menstruation. In those days of the month, you feel constantly tired, nervous, and you want to hide from the world. There are many unpleasant side effects that hinder your everyday life. Here comes the cure for the pain. All you have to do is to consume the juice of aloe vera. Moisturize your scalp and hair. As mentioned above, aloe vera contains many vitamins. It is a natural way to moisturize the dry and itchy scalp. Soothes strong itching and softens hair instantly, only after a few applications on the scalp and hair. The recipe is simple. You just add 2 teaspoons in your favorite shampoo and rinse your scalp and hair as usual. You can do this procedure once a week. Check the description below if you wish to find yourself a reusable bottle, and you can improve the skin and wrinkles. There are many cosmetic products on the market that promise you a magical effect, but ultimately only the promises remain. And, of course, allergies begin to develop and your skin suffers. Aloe vera has an anti-aging effect, and that helps you enrich your skin naturally without any operations or artificial ingredients. Smear a thick layer of aloe vera gel on your face and let it work for about 30 minutes. Then rinse it with warm water. That's all. Your skin will thank you. Heals wounds. Although it was discovered thousands of years ago, there are still people who do not fully trust the power of nature and its shifts. They continue to use chemically made cosmetic products that sometimes have a devastating effect on your health. But in fact, It's so simple to trust the natural cures that in most cases, if used properly, have a stunning effect on you. This is the example in which we offer you a way to treat any scars, skin burns, acne, stretch marks and, of course, the well-known ladies' cellulite. Of course, there will not be a magical stick to reduce all at once, but it will greatly improve the condition of your skin. You have to use the gel of aloe vera plant in the irritated areas of your skin. Helps against dehydration. More than 50% of the aloe vera is water, so it is perfect for maintaining the optimal level of hydration in your body. In spite of this fact, don't forget to drink enough water during the day, because there are no more appropriate means than water to keep you hydrated. For those of you looking to turn a truly greener leaf, we'd also suggest grabbing a reusable water bottle. Not only is drinking from glass and stainless steel containers better for your health, but it helps the environment as well. These are the most common uses of the aloe vera plant and how to apply them in detail. We will now move on to the difference between gel and aloe vera juice, but before that, we offer you some more applications of the plant. Sunburn remedy, makeup remover, protection from ultraviolet radiation, boosts your immune system, helps prevent cancer. Aloe vera juice versus aloe vera gel. In fact, the main difference between the two substances is that they are found in different parts of the plant. The aloe vera comes from the leaves. When you cut it off, its texture is sticky and without color. In most cases, this gel should be filtered and prepared for use. But you can use it on your skin and there will be no risk, because it will be in its natural form. The aloe vera juice, known as extract, is getting from the lower leaves of the plant. The gel is odorless and flavorless. Once you cut off the leaves, you have to keep them in the fridge to save it for a long time. But you can't eat directly the leaf of the plant. You can be sure the product you buy is especially for oral consumption. Here you have the recipes for how to consume the aloe vera for the different kind of needs. Constipation -100 mg aloe vera gel, 50 mg juice. For the skin, apply the gel every day 2 times. These are the most important uses of the aloe vera plant. But before using it, always consult with your doctor. Keep track of and read our site to learn more useful information about the world around you. Aloe vera is so amazing that there are probably countless other ways to make use of it. We are, however, out of time for today and, for now, you'll have to settle with just these 10 tips. As always, we'll ask you to like this video and share it with your friends if you've liked our information. For more healthy living tips and tricks, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that bell button. And, if you think that we've missed anything or you've got some interesting aloe vera uses in mind, do not hesitate to let us know in the comments below. We always love hearing from you. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life.